Euromax. Away they go. Aras from the outside field runner. And moving up by Daral is entry number 4, Euromax. Rushing up is Security Check. It's now Security Check followed by field runner. Euromax alongside is fast forward. Faultless down on the inside on the further outside is entry number 9. And this one is Aras. Security Check from the outside, running down on the inside is field runner. Alongside fast forward, Euromax is running by Daral, Faultless and Aras. And rounding the far turn, Security Check from the outside, field runner. Fast forward is on the outside, Euromax. Aras also rushing up as the action swing towards the long Naik stretch run with Security Check from the outside, field runner down on the inside. Euromax on the further outside is Aras fast forward and nearing the finish line. It's now field runner followed by Faultless, Badral, Security Check and Euromax, and nearing the finish line number 5 field runner, Faultless, Security Check, Euromax, Aras, and for your Super Sais, fast forward.